There are only two conditions in determining if risk of collision exists between you and the other ship. This is also as per Rule 7 of collision regulation. First, the target must be approaching. It makes sense, since if she's getting farther away, then why bother? Second, the bearing of the approaching vessel does not appreciably change, meaning when you observe her at two different instances, her bearing is the same or is almost the same. Fast forward this scenario and you'll see that her bearing is steady, but you are getting closer and closer until... Compare this with targets whose bearing changes rapidly. You see? Now wait, before you take this literally, Rule 7 added a paragraph. Even if there's a large change in bearing, risk of collision may sometimes exist. These are if you are approaching a very large ship or a tow, or when you are approaching a vessel at a close range. But if you are in doubt, if the risk of collision exists, just assume that it does, so you'll be surely safe.
Lotus River, this is Senior Guardian. Lotus River, Senior. Lotus River, this is Senior Guardian. My friend, 4 cables, what do you think? No problem. Please alter course immediately to port, to your starboard side. I'll not allow you to go do this. I've got a vessel on my starboard side. I cannot go to starboard. You understand rules of the road? As of